Okay, in this video we're going to go over how to log into self-service for faculty and staff. So to start, you're going to go to the main website, rlc.edu. Once on the main page here, you'll go down to self-service mixed in with all these links here. And that will load up the first sign-in page. So for faculty and staff, you're going to type in admin-DM followed by a reverse slash, not a forward slash, and then your username, last name, first initial, be the same as your Office login or Outlook. Just leave off the @rlc.edu at the end and click on Next. Now on this screen, you're going to click on Active Directory, and you'll be on another sign-in screen. Similar to the first, you're going to type in admin-DM, reverse slash, and then your username, followed by your password, which should be the same as if you were logging into your Office computer or your Outlook. Okay? Then click on Sign In. And that's all there is to it. You're now in self-service.